How to transfer money to your bank account from Revolut. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can transfer money from your Revolut to bank account. In order to transfer money from Revolut to bank account, first of all, you have to log in into your account and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So basically, you have to log in. So after that, you have to go ahead and select the send on the main home screen. Now select if you want to transfer money to other Revolut user or traditional bank transfer. Now next page, you have to choose an amount that you wish to send and click on the send button in order to confirm it. And lastly, you'll be asked to select the recipient details, so go through it and enter in all of the information and confirm it by reviewing all of the following information that you provided. If the information seems to be valid enough, then confirm the transaction and you'll be notified that you have successfully transferred money to your bank account from Revolut. So that's basically how you can transfer money to your bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.